What's up, coding wizards? Welcome back to Rayyan. Today we are diving into the AI, those magical noodles of text that can turn hello into heaven or Python into Python with just a flick of code. So buckle up because today we are going to string together some coding fun, learn how to jam Python into coding into doing what we want, and maybe correct a few dead level programming jokes along the way. Let's code like a pros and laugh like noobs. So ready? So let's go. So guys, in today's video, I'm telling you about how long does it take to learn AI. Means how long does it take to learn artificial intelligence. So let me tell you and all the things about it. So let's start. The time it takes to learn artificial intelligence will often depend on the route you take, whether it's self-taught or through formal education such as university program. In a self-taught route, the duration can be significantly as it largely depends on your prior knowledge, dedication, and available learning resources. It can take several months to a year or more to gain a solid understanding of artificial intelligence concepts. Programming language such as Python, mathematics, various machine learning algorithms through self-study. Means self-paced online courses, tutorials, and practical projects can accelerate the learning process. On the other hand, a university route typically involves pursuing a formal education in the computer science, data science, or related fields. A Bangalore's degree is these disciplines typically takes around 3 to 4 years to complete. Okay, during which students receive comprehensive training in AI, means in artificial intelligence and related subjects. Okay, whichever you route you choose, continuous learning, practical application, and staying up to date with advancements are essential for pursuing a career in artificial intelligence. So it give me 3 to 4 years to learn AI. Okay, there's no much time to learn AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, it takes some several months to a year or more. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you learn AI. What I am told you, the time it take to learn AI will often depend on the route you take. Okay, which type of route you will be take, it depend on you to learn artificial intelligence, whether it's self-taught or through formal education such as university program. Okay, in a self-taught route, the duration can vary significantly as it largely depends on your prior knowledge, dedication. It's your prior knowledge or dedication, or you have a very interest in artificial intelligence. Then you will be learn artificial intelligence into 4 to 5 months. Okay, months, and available learning resources. It can take only several months to a year or more to gain a solid understanding of artificial intelligence concepts or programming languages such as Python, mathematics, and various machine learning algorithms. I am telling you one thing only. You will know in one language you have in the depth you learn one language. What is the name of this language? The name of this language is Python. You learn the Python in the depth. Okay, in the depth you learn Python because Python is very popular language. Plus in the Python, the AI website is also building in only in Python. Okay, only styling is only doing with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and end up putting a backend using PHP and .l the thing. So you must know Python and mathematics and various machine learning algorithms. And if you want to learn machine learning, so I am giving the in the description. In the description, I'm giving you one playlist. So go and access it. In this playlist, I told you all about the machine learning algorithms through self-study, self-paced online courses, tutorials, and practical projects. Okay, if you want to learn AI very fastly, so you will be keep self-paced online courses. You want to do online courses, tutorials, practical projects. Okay, so like that, or see my all video of artificial intelligence. Then you will be know all things about artificial intelligence in only 4 to 2 months. Okay, because this series is going into the 2 months and I'm going in the depth of the artificial intelligence, in the depth of the artificial intelligence. Okay, so can accelerate the learning process, and you must interest in the AI. You must should be interest your AI, and you have one self-taught route to run AI. Then you will learn AI in several months to a year. On the other hand, a university route, if you go onto the university route, typically it involves pursuing a formal education in computer science or data science or related fields. A bachelor's degree in these disciplines typically takes around 3 to 4 years, which 3 to 4 years to complete, during which students receive comprehensive training in artificial intelligence and related subjects. Whichever route you choose, whichever you choose, route you choose, continuous learning, practical application, and staying up to date. Okay, means like there is first day of learning AI, then second day you learn AI, then third. Do not skip your day. Like first day you learn AI, second day you do not learn AI, third day you do not learn AI. Only fourth day you learn AI, then fifth day you learn AI, then sixth day you miss AI, then you seventh day you miss AI. Not like that. You will staying up to date and take up one route of AI. Okay, with advancements are essential for pursuing a career in AI. If you want a career in AI, if you want to learn AI engineering, so I told you one thing. You will be learn AI engineering in around 3 to 4 years, or for 4 months, or for 1 year or more. Okay, if you go on your self-taught route, or whether you go on to your self-taught route and you don't miss any day to learn artificial intelligence. Okay, only you all day you learn AI. Okay, like first day you learn AI, second day you learn AI, third day you learn AI. Take up one route of your AI, and you must have interest in AI. If in AI you do not have any interest in it, so we do not learn AI. So in AI, you have a much interest in it, then you will be learn AI very easily, as if you have interest in artificial intelligence. Because in 2027 or 2028, there is nothing. This only no schools and no anything. The all thing is go online. Okay, or go online, like courses, like school is finished in 2027 or 2028 or 2020 or 2030 and 2030, because the all things go on online. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, please learn AI in today. When your time will be gone, then when you learn AI, that's why I'm telling you, please learn AI today. When the time will be gone, so you do not learn AI. Okay, so please learn AI, focus on AI, not this type of languages, Java, Python, and you must know these type of languages, Python, Java. But I give you one suggestion. You learn only one language, master the one language of Python, and you must know the basics of Java, React, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, not only you learn Python and then you will be sit down. Oh, I understand all the languages now. I'm sipping a coffee. Not like this. You learn. First of all, you master the Python. Then when you master your Python, then you will learn the basics. I am only telling the basics. You learn on the basics of Java, JavaScript, React, PHP. Why I'm saying the name of the PHP SQL, because this is the backend languages. You must know when in the 2027 you are making your own website, so you must know how to put the backend and that all thing. So that's why I'm telling you, you must know the basics of it. Only basics I'm telling you, not master it. Do the master in PHP, SQL, JavaScript. Not like this. Only master only your one language, Python, and only you know the basics of Java, JavaScript, then and these type of languages like PHP, MySQL, React.js. Okay, so like that. So in today's in the 2025, you must learn AI. Your goal is in this year. Your goal is you will be professional. You will be professional in artificial intelligence in 2025. This is your goal. Okay, but there is the 2025 has been not came. This is the 2024. But I know but there is not any there are very few days to come 2025. So that's why I'm telling you, this is your goal, to start from January 1 to December 31. You learn all the AI, you will be go professional in AI. Okay, so this is your goal. Okay, so but anyways, is for today. Please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. And now I give you the outro of this video into the big screen. So let's come on to the big screen and let's give the outro of this video. And I hope you understand my, I think my knowledge, what I am saying you, why, how long does it take to learn AI. Okay, it takes us several months to a year or more. Okay, it is depend on you, how you are interested in the AI. It is depend on you. But anyways, yes, I give you the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's come on to the big screen and let's give the outro of this video. That's it for today coding adventure. Now you know how to build the cool stuff that make your project stand out like a shining star. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding fun. Keep coding, keep learning, and don't worry about bugs. They are just a little challenges to make you stronger. See you in the next video. Bye bye.